Hey friends, if you wish to prevent users from changing the language in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor. Now go to HKey current user, software, policies and Microsoft in the left pane. In the right pane, we will create a key named control panel. Right click, new key control panel. Now we will create another subkey named desktop. Rightly click on control panel, new key desktop. In the right pane, we will create a string named multi-UI language ID. Copy it. Right click, new dword 32-bit value, multi-UI language ID. Okay. Now we have to give the value data for the language which we wish to restrict. You can take a screenshot of these languages. I will scroll through it. Okay. Now let's say that you wish to ban Estonian. Simply copy its code, double click on it, change the value data. Wait, it's not a dword 32-bit entry. It will be a new string value. So wait, I'll show you the new string value first. It will be multi-UI language ID. Okay, and let's say that we wish to ban Italian. So we will copy this code, which is 000000410, and double click on it and then paste it here and then OK. And restart your computer, the language will be banned. You can check the IDs for all the languages here. You can take a screenshot if required. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.